So this right here is the trade we took today to end this week off with a banger, right? H1, M15, and M1 demands and confluence. Now, we were looking for longs, right? The market was looking bullish at the time. The one thing is we were really watching this daily candle right here to make sure it was going to hold and not flip bearish again. We were definitely looking at that daily for sure today. But once the market broke past this M15 demand right here, there's that previous contrary candle, right? M15 demand. And we also had an H1 right here. See that H1 previous contrary candle? Once we broke past this, like look how the market is right now. Once we were right there, I went ahead, set the limit order, and boom, we were entering once we just got that pullback, right? But we had that H1 M15, and then we also had an M1 created right here, which was literally just perfect. Added that extra demand and confluence just to make it a little more of a higher probability setup, right? Well, once we broke past it, that's when I went ahead, set the limit order, told the team to set the limit order, and literally just like that, we were in. And I'm talking what? We were in this trade for less than a minute. 41 seconds for a TP2. Like, we cannot complain about that whatsoever. Literally within under a minute, hitting a TP2 is just crazy. But that was literally just the gist of the trade. Now, the one thing that I didn't like too much was this H1 being right here, right? Little skeptical about that just because we could have pushed up and got a rejection off this H1 and would have just fell short of TP2. But the thing is, we had so much momentum off of this M15 H1 that we literally just pushed past it. And as you could see, we literally just kept going up. And where did we go to? This M15 demand. The market doesn't just, reject off the most random things, right? We rejected right there off this M15 supply. If I said demand, I meant supply. M15 supply is what we rejected from. See this previous contrary candle? Boom, tapped into it right here, rejected from it. Today was just a great day, and I'm not even going to lie. This week was just a great-ass week. So if you guys know, last week was a rough week. We recovered our losses from last week, right? Recovered them, made even more. Can't complain, bro. And we haven't done anything different this week. That's trading for you. That's trading. We stuck to our plan, only took high probability setups. Don't trade during red folder news. Don't over leverage. Don't overtrade. Nothing like that. And that is what caused us to go from having a rough week and losing our 6-week winning streak to completely recovering last week's losses and making more. Had a few members pass their challenge accounts today. Let me go ahead and let's see if I can pull this up in the live trading and then just show you guys real quick. So right here, we had Zoro pass his challenge account right here. He passed his challenge account. And let's see, we have, let me go back to this. Dak ended up catching a W. Just Chill just joined the Discord yesterday. First day, caught a W, right? And I think Dak, this was his first trade on his funded account, like his new funded account that he just passed. Drac ended up passing his account right here. So we had multiple members pass their account, and then we had some people make money on their funded accounts today. Overall, it was just a great ass day. The profits channel, Zoro here, 3,096. Drac, 1,120. Dak, 222. Here's Drac posting that he passes eval. That was our week. Up 7% this week. Up 7%. If you literally joined and took every trade I took, you would have passed the challenge count. You could have had enough money to have a payout. If you want to trade live with me and the team Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, click the link in the bio or click the link in the description that says trade live with me. If you want to learn from me one-on-one and have direct access to me, click the link in the bio or link in the description that says apply for the one-on-one mentorship. Look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord, in the live trading sessions, or in the next video. Peace out.